Hello and welcome to podcast number 1 on Say There. You know, because this is a project that's for chemistry, one of the questions was, what did you learn in chemistry that applies to this unit or this podcast? And so a few things I learned, or I knew already. Everything is made up of atoms. Protons, neutrons, and electrons are consisted within the atom. I learned about the electron cloud and the fact that atoms share electrons and the difference between polar and non-polar electrons. We'll talk about this later with the polarity of soap. That's it. Put that.
Bingo.
All right. The most interesting part of this podcast, in my opinion, was actually the way that soap as a construct is formed. So because, as you know, when you wash your hands with just water and you have oil on them, they won't come off. But when you wash your hands with soap, it rubs the oil, it kind of strips the oil off of your hands. So what's interesting about soap is a long, oily chain that has a polar end and a non-polar end.
Okay, go. And then scooch up. We did it.
Which means that it can kind of take all of these greasy things.
Are you recording?
And take them off of you. Some of you may be asking, what is soap made up of? And that's an easy thing to answer. Soap is made up of an oil, and an alkali salt. Oil could be numerous things. It could be, olive oil, lye, fatty, some. The alkali salt is usually lye, which is a type of sodium hydroxide. That's it. So, unlike solid soap, liquid soap requires liquid soap, so not hard soap, but liquid soap requires potassium hydroxide. When you actually make soap, you heat the lye and oil together in a process called saponification. Isn't it funny? Because it's like saponification, but it's also soap.
Non-polar are attracted to non-polar, and polar are attracted to polar. And that's okay. However, not together. Push you out of the way. Ready? Just.
Soap chain is made from both polar and
non-polar bonds. Crazy. Soap can be made of an animal fat or other oils, plus some other chemicals. And
vegetable fat, such as carrot.
Now, you must be wondering, what do you find this interesting about this?
Come on, read it. What?
I am.
Do it like this and then
So, You're gonna have to label it. Ew.
Buddies.
Welcome. Okay, I get it. Okay, wait.